Hello YouTubers, this is Celtic Ghost here, bringing you another video. Today I will begin exposing apps that promise to pay you through PayPal, Amazon, and other means. I promise you that I am not going to just make claims that these games do not pay you. I will prove it by playing them. Now don't think that I'm going to bore you with hours of gameplay. I won't do that. I will show you how the games start, and then I'll update you when it comes to the payout time, and I'll show you whether they actually pay or if they say that the payment failed, which is what most of them I've played have done. I have yet to get an app that promises to pay through PayPal to actually make a payment. Now this game here, we'll start with this one. It's almost to a payout. It's taking forever, but it's better than watching it from the very beginning. And since I've deleted the ones that didn't pay me, I'll need to go and do those again. But this one is called Block Puzzle. It shows you here, Block Puzzle. It's one of my favorite ones. It's easy, it's relaxing, it's fun to play. And it's almost to a payout, and we've got something here that I think it might be ready to give out part of a payout. We're going to see after this ad plays and kind of show you how this works. I've been playing this one for quite a while. Okay, just a moment, you have to watch the ads. That's how they actually make their money. Alright, up here, this little button, it says, complete the following tasks to get $100. I have completed all of these tasks. Let's click the claim button and see what we get. Ooh, we're going to enter our email. Congratulations, you got a $100 gift card. Alright, I'm going to enter my email, and I'm going to shut you off for a moment while I do that, because I really don't want to give that out right here. Hold on.